4 o'clock, who is eligible for COVID booster shots? The CDC is meeting to decide that, and a lot of you want to know what to expect.
We've already had a lot of patients already contact us as well. Am I eligible? When can I get the shot?
Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Mike Savino has been talking to the experts. He is joining us live from Hartford Hospital with the details. And Mike, what do we know right now?
Well, right now they're looking at the recommendations from the FDA. They're targeting 3 groups, including people who are over 65. The FDA is also recommending people who are at high risk of serious cases of COVID and people whose jobs put them at high risk of contracting COVID. Now, the people who are at high risk of serious cases, think of the same groups we were talking about early on in the pandemic. People with diabetes, people with heart conditions, people with various health ailments that cause problems for them. Now, as far as people who have jobs that create high risk, again, same thing that we were talking about early on. It's those frontline responders who have a higher risk of exposure.
Mike, you determine that you're eligible, so that's great. But how do you then go about getting the booster shot?
Well, I talked with some vaccine providers today, Hartford Healthcare, also Waterbury Health. They're reaching out to their patients that they know have it. They're also getting a lot of questions from people. When am I eligible? When can I get the booster shot? So there's already a lot of communications there, but there will be more outreach. Of course, once you become eligible, you can get it. But a lot of vaccine providers have been saying that they want to try to steer people towards making appointments the same way you did for your first 2 shots. They really want to monitor who's getting these doses right now. And of course, they want to protect against people who are not eligible, still going out and getting the booster shot. I'll have more on that coming up on Eyewitness News at 5.
All right, we will see you then. Mike Savino reporting for us this afternoon. Mike, thank you very much. It is time to vote now, and we want to know if you become eligible for a booster shot, will you get it? Yes, no, or not sure. Right now, you can see the overwhelming majority of you say yes, you would get the booster shot. You can weigh in on our unscientific poll right now on the Channel 3 app or head to WFSB.com/vote now.